Greetings, everyone. This is our assignment 510. So let's look at it set up a little differently from other assignments. So it says, draw a floor plan of a casa slash apartamento. And then it says, click here to view it. So let's skip down to the click here to view it. So let's pull this up. So this actually it's set up a lot like our camis, but you are not submitting. So if you go back over here, it says submitting on paper. There's no cami button. Okay. So you are going to do this part in your quaderno, and then you're actually going to have a piece of paper that you're going to submit to me for your regular assignment today. Okay. That sounds strange. But trust me, it works, okay? Because we're going to do something fun today. So here's our bell work. Answer the following questions in complete sentences in Espanol. So if you remember, I've been talking about your quiz. 3 sections, 1, 2, 3, okay? Each section is modeled after the bell work that we've been doing, okay? So that means there's going to be a section like this on your quiz. So make sure you can do these. So answer the following questions in complete sentences in Espanol. So you have donde vives, cuántas cocinas hay en tu casa slash apartamento. Remember, you pick to have either a casa or an apartamento. And then we have donde está el jardín, vives con tu familia, and then hay una sala en tu casa slash apartamento. So you pick to have either a casa or an apartamento in your response, okay? You don't respond with casa slash apartamento in your response, okay? Now, let's look at our assignment for today. You're going to do first name, last name, date, and hour on your piece of paper because no name, no credit, all right? You're going to turn your paper from this way to this way. And then this is the part that's put on the assignment part. We're going to draw a floor plan of a casa slash apartamento. Your floor plan can be designed however you want, as long as it has 7 rooms. After you've drawn 7 rooms, you're going to label them in Espanol. You're going to use the definite article adjective. And you're going to draw at least one piece of furniture in that room that would make it obvious to us what that room would be. Okay? So if I look at it and I cover up the name, I'm like, oh, obviously that's a sala. Okay? So I've got an example here, one that I drew. And we're going to zoom in a little bit. So that way we can be like, oh, yeah, obviously. So here's my El Garaje, and I'd put in a car. You're not labeling the things that are in there. You're labeling the name. And then I put in a little garage cat. Here's my La Cocina, and I put in, there's a sink. And I think I drew this like several years ago, guys. But I think that's like the stove. And I put in like a little island with a little sink. I'm a firm believer in the fact that you should have more than one sink in a kitchen. Here's my El Comedor, and I made this as like the dining room table, and that's the runner that goes like across. It's not like 2 separate dining room tables. Here's the La Sala. Here's the couch. I think that's supposed to be a love seat. It kind of looks like a hot dog. But here's the coffee table, and then here's the wall-mounted TV. This is just kind of like a pass-through great room area. That's the peninsula. And then here's just a cute little 2-bedroom house. 2 bed, 2 bath. I think I was probably inspired by watching HGTV. So we've got 4 rooms so far here. And then I guess this is a door, maybe? I don't know. I think I just kind of put doors in places where there's technically no way to get from the garage to the cocina. I just realized that. Oops. Here's one El Cuarto with a baño. just a sink and a bed. So like the identifying feature in this room is the bed. The identifying feature in the baño is the sink. Here's the cuarto. Here's this door. And then here's the El Cuarto. And then here's the El Cuarto here. Here's the El Baño. I think I made this a pocket door. Here's a sink and a shower. I realize there's no toilets now in this house, but I guess I just wasn't really up to drawing any. And then right here, here's my El Patio. Here's like one of those nice loungers. And then I think I made a fire pit and one of those cool swirly trees. I liked those when I drew this. I still kind of like this. Anyway, so here's my little house. 2 rooms, 2 bathrooms. I think I might need to fix it up a little bit. But I do have what appears to be a 2-car garage and a cat. So there we go. I do need a refrigerator. Otherwise, I'll be living out of an ice cooler. All right. I hope you guys have fun with this. I'll love you all, and I see you all later. Bye.